So just did a test flight with that UV filter, which basically did nothing. So it came with the darker one, I guess, if you can tell. Gonna try this one. It's not really that sunny out today, but granted, I really do think I get some camera issues and cold issues. Um, do a flight on this one, see what happens. I was catching a little bit of the edges, but I don't think that was a big deal. So, oh yeah, one more thing I wanted to show to Anthony. It's probably in. Is my little professionally mounted professionally mounted Cree dual lights. This one's in a green color. Another professionally mounted strobe light. They're pretty bright. I think if I set these things off, I'm gonna go blind, and I don't think it's gonna quite pick it up. But let's hit the green one. These things are pretty awesome. About 26 bucks on eBay. I can put a link below, but for sure very visible from about 5 miles on this one. What they say. Yeah, I can see it pretty far away. So yeah, camera first. All right.